right, guys, so we're just gonna go over a quick overview of how to build our Sierra Vista Wildland hose packs. All right, so the initial equipment we're gonna need, first we want 100 feet of the 1.5-inch hose. This is a single jacket Wildland hose. Then we want 100 feet of 1-inch single jacket hose. We're gonna want a Y with a 1.5-inch couplings on both sides. We want a reducer, a 1.5 to 1-inch coupling reducer, a nozzle. This one's a forestry nozzle, but hopefully we'll get some barrel nozzles for them. And then our basic hose bag. That's our basic equipment for any of our hose packs. We do have some additional pieces. If the equipment allows, we do want to be able to have a 100-foot garden hose, the 3/4-inch hose as an extension off as a lateral line, a hose clamp, a Wildland hose clamp, and then another little nozzle that would attach with the garden hose. So basic equipment, and we'll go into showing how to actually load up the pack. All right, guys, so now going into loading it. First, we're going to start with a 1-inch hose, and we're actually we're going to start with a triple layer load. Okay, so as you can see, we kind of get this. Isaiah, go ahead. Can you grab that nozzle, get that other side, and we'll just kind of loop it up, flip it on top of each other. All right, guys, and as you can kind of see, once it's nice and layered on top of each other, we actually have the tape, and we want to use a lightweight, just like a masking tape or something like that. What this does is it helps keep the hose folded and layered in this position, but by using the lightweight masking tape, it allows it to pop once you actually charge the line. So you just kind of go along in different increments all along the hose. No specific spacing, and you just kind of go along the line, traveling up, spacing it out. And again, the intent is just to keep the hose in a nice flat configured position like this. And just finishing up with loading up this triple layer load. Again, we're gonna do bottom flake, second flake, and the third one. We always wanna shorten up where the male end is gonna be. You wanna provide a little bit of space for that nozzle. Next part is going into actually loading the hose into the hose bag. So we're gonna start with the nozzle, and we're just gonna flat load it in here. All right, guys, so the next portion that we're gonna do, we wanna make sure that everything's kind of connected, and we're gonna grab our Y. With our 1.5-inch hose, we're gonna connect it to the hose that's already in the bag. And now we're just gonna set that Y inside, and we're gonna flat load the 1-inch, 1.5-inch on top, trying to keep it as easy as possible. All right, guys, and that's putting together our hose packs. All right.